Hi everyone, my name is Mary J. Bautista from Nine Halcon. So, what we are going to do today is I'm gonna show to you on how to demonstrate on the table setting. So before we start, here are the materials that I'll use. So we have a glass, the plate, and the knife, spoon, and then fork, and we have napkin and the placemat. So yeah, I'm starting with first create like the napkin, like design like this. So, ito na yung napkin. Yan. So, first, ang gagawin natin is lagyan natin siya dito sa gitna by half. And, like ganyan. Tapos, sa kabila. And then, pagka na ganyan na siya, babalik na rin naman natin. Tapos, ito, ganyanin natin siya sa kalahati. And then, ipupul lang natin to. And then, ibababa natin. Tapos, ito, dapat nasa gitna siya. Pasok lang natin to dito. So, ayan na siya. So, ang next naman is yung table settings. So, first, ilalagay muna natin itong placemat. And then yung plate, then yung fork, tapos yung knife, and then yung spoon. Then lastly,